Well, I'm Dave, and this is the Pennant Racing Channel and Best Dual Sport Bikes channel. Want to know what this custom formed, properly designed set of powerlips intake track reshaper does on these EXCF FES trail bikes? This is the 350. Want to know what it does on this 350 over just having no reeds at all? Watch. You gotta admit, not bad. It gives you power exactly where you want it on these trail bikes. Right off the bottom, the throttle response is so much sharper, you can chug better, less chance of flame out because your air velocity is up high. At higher elevations, it's even more of a gain because you need all the velocity you can get, and you saw that real nice gain in mid-range. You lose a little on top, who cares? You're on the downside of the power anyhow. You don't buy these bikes to ride around on the downside of the power. You've already made all your power you can. You don't ride these things at 10,000 RPMs, do you? You ride them right where this makes meat. For 60 bucks, this is one of the best gains you can do. Expect a lot of the other companies to start ripping this stuff off now. You kind of have to compete. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Have a great day.